Hey guys, welcome back to Aurora's Learning Cebuano. So today we are going to be talking about expressing annoyance, disappointment, or frustration. So when you are waiting for somebody and it took them so long to arrive, or when you ask them what took them so long, what took you so long, the way you would say that in Cebuano, nganong nadugay ka? Nganong nadugay ka? And if you want to say it in a stern way, like you are really angry, nganong nadugay ka? 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 So that's how you'd say it. And then when you express like, oh my, ay sus, that's how you say it, like, oh my, ay sus. It's like a short way of saying ay Jesus, like, oh Jesus, ay sus. So, and then when you say it's your fault, when you are like pointing someone that it's their fault, when you say sala na nimo, S-I-N, sala. So when you are pointing someone, nimo means you or ikaw, sala na nimo, or you would say tungod nimo, because of you, tungod nimo, because of you, sala na nimo. So you can say it either way. And when you say it's too late, ulahin na. And then when you said it's a waste, so you say kausik. So when you say something, what a shame, you'd have to say makauulaw. It's like embarrassing, how embarrassing, or what a shame. Makauulaw or makauulaw. Both words is acceptable because that's how we say. Sometimes we say W, makauulaw or makauulaw. You could use both or either way. So when you said I told you so, and the way you would say it, giingnan ka, nag-ingon pa ko nimo, giingnan ka sa una, like I told you before, so I told you so before, so you'd have to say giingnan ka, so don't blame me. So that's not right. Dili na mao, or that's not right. It's like it's not right. So you can also say dili na tinuod. You could say it away. Dili na mao or dili na tinuod. Then when you say that's nothing serious. Nothing serious means baliwala ka na or walay bali. Walay bali is like void. It doesn't matter. Walay bali. Then how irritating. When you express your feelings, when you say how annoying, how irritating, you'd have to say makalagot, makapungut, buwisit. Buwisit is almost like you're swearing, but you could say all three of them. You could say makapungut, like you're expressing your feelings that you're angry. Makalagot, or makapungut, or buwisit. Alright, let's move on to next. How vulgar. Then you have to say bastos. Vulgar kaayo. But when you want to say to someone how vulgar you are, vulgar ka kaayo. Bastos ra ka kaayo. It's like when someone is too vulgar and you want to tell them that they are too vulgar, you have to say you're too vulgar, or vulgar ra ka kaayo. Alright, let's move on to how awful. Kalain. Like you feel like, yike, kalain. Or you could say haskang laina. Alright. Next, when you say well, you'd have to say hinoon. It's like you're thinking, maybe hinoon. Well. Next, so there. So there, you have to say mao kana. Mao kana. Mao kana. But then when you say of course, or when someone asks you and you will agree and you said of course, then you have to say syempre. Syempre. Really? Really? Like you express like you can't believe it, or is it even true, or really? You'd have to say tinuod. Really? Tinuod? Tinuod ba kini? Di ay? Really? It's like you are like confirming if it is true. So tinuod. Okay guys, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Please stay tuned for the next video. We will be talking about on physical discomforts. It's like we're gonna be talking about how do you feel? I'm not feeling well. I am tired. My back aches. I feel dizzy. That is going to be our next subject. So stay tuned. And please, if this is your first time watching Aurora's Learning Cebuano, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you just want to say hi, I would really so appreciate it. And I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching Aurora's vlog. I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.